Welcome students in 8 Maths topic number 10 equations in one variable. Students, we had learned in the previous standard equation in one variable. The value of variable which satisfies the given equation is called a solution of that equation. We had learned in last standard the value of the variable which satisfies the given equation, we call it as solution of that equation. Also we had seen solving an equation means we have to find the value of the equation. The equation obtained by performing certain operations on the both sides does not change the solution. Here we use the property, here we do the operations such as to add the same number on both sides or to subtract the same number on the both sides or to multiply both sides by the same number or to divide the same number on the both sides. By using all these operations, we had calculated how to solve equation in one variable. In last standard, we had also seen such type of small example. Student, in last standard we had seen equation in one variable. What is the solution of the equation? You remember the value of the variable which satisfies the given condition is called a solution of the equation. Means here when the value of LHS and RHS become equal, we call it as solution of that equation. Solving an equation means to find solution of that equation. We have to solve this equation means we have to find the solution of that equation. Okay. The equation obtained by performing the same operation on both sides does not change its solution. If we do the same operation on both sides, LHS and RHS, the value of the equation does not change. What are the operations we do on the both sides of the equation? First, to add the same number to both sides. Second operation we do to subtract the same number from the both sides. Third operation, to multiply both sides by the same number. And fourth operation we do is to divide both sides by the same non-zero number. So all these four operations we can do for solving equations. Okay, we learn all this in the last standard also. So we recall all these example first and then start our topic. Okay, so let's recall first all these examples. So students, let's try to solve some examples in last standard. We had learned in topic number 8 linear equation in one variable. Okay, see first question, solve the following. X plus 7 is equal to 4. We had solved all these example in last standard. How to solve this? Here x plus 7 is equal to 4. Here we subtract 4 from both sides, that is minus 4. Therefore x plus 7 minus 4, 3 is equal to 0. Now we subtract 3 from both sides, 0 minus 3. Therefore x is equal to plus 3 minus 3, 0. X is equal to minus 3 is the answer. Okay. See the second example. M minus 5 is equal to 4. Here m minus 5 is equal to 4. Take this. Here we add 5 on both sides. What is the answer? Minus 5 plus 5, 0. M is equal to 9. That is value of m is 9. Okay. Next see, 4p is equal to 12. Here we divide both sides by 4. We had learned we can do the same operation on both sides such that the value of the equation does not change. आपण एकाच वेळी दोन्हीकडे सेम ऑपरेशन करू शकतोय. दोन्हीकडे एकच संख्या ऍड करू शकतोय. दोन्हीकडे एक संख्या सबट्रॅक्ट करू शकतोय. दोन्हीकडे एकाच संख्येनं मल्टिप्लाय करू शकतोय आणि दोन्हीकडे एकाच संख्येनं डिवाइड देखील करू शकतोय. ओके, then here in this equation we will divide both sides by 4. 4p divided by 4 is equal to 12 divided by 4. Here 4 get cancelled. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Therefore value of p is 3. Value of p becomes here 3. Okay, now see one more example. X upon 3 is equal to 6. See here, if we multiply both sides by 3, x upon 3 into 3 is equal to 6 into 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Therefore here x is equal to 6 threes are 18. Value of x is 18. Okay students, here we see that these 4 examples are of different kinds. See, in the first example I had subtracted 4 from both sides. In second example I had added 5 on both sides. In third example here I had divided by 4 on both sides. And in fourth example I had multiplied both sides by 3. Means we can add, subtract, multiply or divide both sides of the equation by the same number, such that the value of the equation does not change. Okay, now see one more example is given here. How to find this? First you subtract 2 from both sides. 2x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 8 minus 2. 2 get cancelled. 2x is equal to 6. Now here divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 is equal to 6 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Therefore value of x is 3. Okay, in this example see, here in first step I had subtracted 2 from both sides, and in the next step I had divided by 2 on both sides. Means subtraction and division on both sides. I had do 2 operation on in this example. Okay, and last one see, collect the like terms. X means here subtract both sides by x. Means 3x minus x minus 5 is equal to x minus 17. X get cancelled. 3x minus 1x. 2x minus 5 is equal to 17. Now add both sides by 5. 2x minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 17 plus 5. 5 get cancelled. 2x is equal to 17 plus 5, 22. Now dividing by 2. What is the answer here? 22 upon 2. 2 ones are 2. Therefore x is equal to 11. Value of x is here 11. Okay, understand? So all these 6 example we had learned in the last standard. So in this 8th standard we will study equation in one variable, solving how to solve equation in one variable. So let's start. Students, in page number 75 we had given one of the activity. Fill in the boxes to solve the following equation. Here we have to fill the boxes. See what is the first. X plus 4 is equal to 9. X plus 4 minus, here we subtract 4 from both sides. Then 4 get cancelled. X is equal to 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Or you may write directly 4 ची आपण काय जागा चेंज केली, म्हणजे प्लस राहणार आहे मायनस. Here we add both sides by 2. There 2 get cancelled. Therefore x is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. In third example, see x upon 3 is equal to 4. X upon 3, here we multiply both sides by 3. 3 get cancelled, x is equal to 4 3s are 12. Okay. Next, fourth one example is 4x is equal to 24. We divide both sides by 4. 4 get cancelled, 4 1s are 4, 4 6s are 24. Therefore, value of x is 4. Okay, understand all these 4 example. Here we may write as change the side. 4 ची साइड चेंज केला जाणार आहे प्लस मायनस. 2 ची साइड चेंज केला जाणार आहे मायनस चा प्लस. 3 ची साइड डिवाइडेड बाय चेंज केला जाणार आहे मल्टिप्लाय बाय. 4 ची साइड मल्टिप्लाय जाणार आहे डिवाइडेड बाय. यू मे रिमेंबर इन सच वे. आपण साइड चेंज केली की काय करायचं आहे, साइन चेंज करायचं आहे. प्लसचं मायनस करायचं आहे, मायनसचं प्लस करायचं आहे, मल्टिप्लायचं डिवाइड करायचं आहे आणि डिवाइडचं मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. अशा पद्धतीने केली तरी चालेल. ओके. नाउ स्टुडंट्स, टुडे वी विल सी क्वेश्चन 1 ऑफ प्रॅक्टिस सेट 12.1. व्हॉट इज द क्वेश्चन 1? डिसाइड वेदर द गिवन व्हॅल्यूज आर solution of that equation or not. We have to find the given values of x are solution of the given equation or not. When the given equation satisfies, when we put the value of variable in that equation and both the LHS and RHS becomes equal, then we say that the given value is the solution of that equation. जेव्हा आपण दिलेल्या इक्वेशनची व्हॅल्यू त्या इक्वेशनमध्ये पुट करणार आहे व्हेरिएबलची व्हॅल्यू, तेव्हा LHS आणि RHS जर सेम आला तरच आपल्याला त्याचं सोल्युशन आहे असं आपण म्हणणार आहे. अदरवाइज वी कॉल इट ॲज नॉट सोल्युशन. नाहीतर आपण काय म्हणणार आहे, त्याचं ते सोल्युशन नाही. ओके. अंडरस्टँड हाऊ टू फाइंड द सोल्युशन इज ऑफ दॅट इक्वेशन ऑर नॉट. इफ इट सॅटिस्फाइज द गिवन इक्वेशन means LHS and RHS become equal after putting the value of the variable, then it is the solution of that equation. Okay. So let's try first example. X minus 4 is equal to 3. For x is equal to minus 1, minus 7 and 7. For these three values, we have to decide if the given equation has solution or not. Okay. So let's try first. Given equation is what is the given equation? X minus 4 is equal to 3. First we try for x is equal to minus 1. First let's try for x is equal to minus 1. x is equal to minus 1 साठी आपण ते ट्राय करूया. ओके. LHS we write left hand side. What is the left hand side? X minus 4. Okay. Put the value of x as minus 1. Minus 4 means minus 1 minus 4. Minus minus become plus. 4 plus 1 5 and greater number sign. LHS is minus 1 and RHS is, what is the RHS here? RHS is 3. Is LHS and RHS are same? LHS and RHS same आहेत का? No. Here LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 is not solution of given equation. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to 1 is not solution of the given equation because here LHS and RHS are different. Okay. Now see for second, for x is equal to minus 7, we will see, right? LHS, what is the LHS? X minus 4. What is the value of x? Minus 7 minus 4. Minus 7 minus 4. What becomes the answer? Minus minus plus 7 plus 4 11, minus 11. And RHS is here. RHS is here 3. Here also LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to minus 7 is not solution of given equation. Okay. Now we will try for third. X is equal to 7. What is the LHS? Right, first LHS. X minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. And RHS is also here. RHS is equal to 3. Here LHS is also 3. And RHS is also 3. Therefore, here LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, X is equal to 7 is the solution of given equation. Okay, understand how to find the given equation. We write first find for x is equal to -1. Write LHS first, x minus 4. Put the value of x as -1 and here -4. Minus become plus. 1 plus 4, 5. Greater number sign -5. But RHS is here 3. Therefore, here LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to -1 is not solution of the given equation. Similarly, try for -7 here. Put the value of x as -7, we get -11. Here also LHS is not equal to RHS. So x is equal to -7 is not solution of the given equation. And last, x is equal to 7. Write down first LHS, x minus 4, 7 minus 4. Means here answer is 3. And RHS is also here 3. So here LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore x is equal to 7 is solution of the given equation. Okay, understand how to find the solution of the given equation. See one more example. Decide whether the given values are solution of the given equation. What is the given equation here? 2a plus 4 is equal to 0. For a is equal to 2, -2 and 1. We have to decide the values are true for a is equal to 2, a is equal to -2 and a is equal to 1. Okay. So let's try. The given equation is, what is the given equation here? The given equation is 2a plus 4 is equal to 0. So we have to find these values are the solution of that equation or not. For a is equal to 2, let's write LHS first. LHS is 2a plus 4. First write LHS, left hand side. 2 into, what is the value of a? 2. Plus, write 4 as it is. 2 2s are 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Means here LHS is 8. And what is the RHS here? RHS is equal to 0. Is LHS and RHS are same? No. Here LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore, a is equal to 2 is not solution. It is the not solution of the given equation. It is not solution of the given equation. Okay, understand? For a is equal to 2, it is not solution. Here a is equal to 2 we had completed. Now for a is equal to -2. Let's start. For a is equal to -2. We will see. Write down first LHS. What is the LHS? 2a plus 4. 2 as it is into value of a is -2 and then plus 4. 2 as it is into value of a is -2. Plus minus 2 2s are 4 minus 4 and this is plus 4. Means here plus 4 minus 4 value is 0. Now what is the RHS here? RHS is also 0. So here both LHS and RHS are same. Here LHS is equal to RHS. Both LHS and RHS are same here. Therefore A is equal to -2 is the solution of given equation. It is the solution of the given equation. Okay. And lastly, we will find for A is equal to this. Find now. Remains A is equal to 1. Write down LHS first. What is the LHS? 2A plus 4. 2 into what is the value of A? 1 plus 4. 2 ones are 2. 4 plus 4 means here LHS is, what is the value of LHS? 6. And RHS is given 0. Is LHS and RHS are same here? No. Both LHS and RHS are not same here. Here LHS not equal to RHS. Okay. Therefore, A is equal to 1 is not solution. Is not solution of given equation. So students, here one of the important thing is you write the values of variable correctly. You write the value of variable correctly and solve this very easily. You can solve this very easily. But here you must remember the signs, value of variable, and only do the calculation. So it is very simple. Okay. कॅल्क्युलेशन अजिबात चुकायचं नाही आणि सायन्स चुकायचं नाही, तरच तुमचे एक्झाम्पल काय येतील बरोबर येतील. थोडं जरी सायन्समध्ये चेंज केला आपला चुकलं तर आपला आन्सर वेगळा येऊ शकतो. त्यामुळे आपलं कॅल्क्युलेशन इथं परफेक्ट असणं गरजेचं आहे. सो स्टुडंट्स, हिअर वी हॅड सीन the given equation, the given values are the solution of that equation or not. How we find here? We put the value of variable in the RHS and calculate it. If it becomes is equal to RHS, then the given value is solution of that equation. Okay. So students, we had taken 2 examples in practice set 12.1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 मध्ये आपण 2च एक्झाम्पल इथे घेतलेली आहेत. राहिलेले 2 एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही होमवर्क म्हणून सोडवायची आहेत. ओके. थँक्यू.